The endless cough, understanding pertussis. What is the 100-day cough? The 100-day cough is no laughing matter, although its name might sound like a marathon nobody wants to sign up for. Caused by the bacterium Bordetella pertussis, it's characterized by severe coughing fits that can last for more than 3 months. The whoop sound, a hallmark of the infection, follows these coughing fits as the individual tries to breathe in air, although not everyone exhibits this symptom. Imagine coughing day and night for 100 days straight. This relentless condition, known as the 100-day cough, is real. Caused by the pertussis bacteria, it's more commonly known as whooping cough, a highly contagious disease that can affect anyone. Why should families in the UK be concerned? Recent reports have indicated a spike in cases across the UK, putting families, especially those with young children and elderly members, on high alert. The disease is particularly dangerous for babies under the age of 1, as they are at a higher risk of developing severe complications such as pneumonia, seizures, and in rare cases, it can be fatal. Initially, symptoms mimic a regular cold, making it tricky to diagnose early. But soon, severe coughing spells take over. These coughing fits can be so intense, they are often followed by a distinctive whooping sound as you gasp for breath. Vaccination is our best defense, offering protection and helping prevent the spread to infants and those at high risk. Treating whooping cough early with antibiotics can reduce the severity and duration. Yet, many cases go unrecognized until it's severe. Protecting your family, practical steps to take. Vaccination. The most effective way to protect against whooping cough is through vaccination. The NHS offers the pertussis vaccine to pregnant women, infants, and young children as part of the childhood vaccination program. It's a family affair, so ensuring everyone's vaccinations are up to date can provide a shield of protection. Hygiene practices encourage regular hand washing, use of hand sanitizers, and covering the mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. It's like teaching your teens about cleanliness all over again, but with higher stakes. Recognize the symptoms. Early detection can make a significant difference. If someone in your household starts showing symptoms such as severe coughing fits, the notorious whoop, or vomiting after coughing, it's time to consult a healthcare professional. Isolation. If a family member is diagnosed with whooping cough, keeping them isolated from other family members, especially infants and those with compromised immune systems, can prevent the spread. Seek medical advice. If you suspect that you or a family member has whooping cough, seek medical advice promptly. The NHS website is a treasure trove of information and can guide you on the next steps to take. Where to find more information? For more detailed information and guidance, the NHS website is your go-to resource. It provides comprehensive advice on symptoms, treatment, prevention, and the vaccination schedule. Additionally, Patient UK offers patient-friendly information and support for those affected by whooping cough.